professionals, listen up. Indy is setting the stage for an incredible MPI WEC with an epic opening night performance. I am here at the lawn in White River State Park, where Indiana's own Straight No Chaser will be taking a pit stop from performing and harmonizing for all of us. And we'll taste some of Indy's great local flavors. And you can sample some of Indy's local craft beers. It's going to make for an unforgettable night in Indy to kick off the week. Don't forget to pack your running shoes and join me the next day for a run along the canal. You never know who you'll meet. This is all within walking distance from your hotel, so there are no excuses. This is an experience you don't want to miss. So register for WEC today. Hit it, Gio!